The National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central Hocking County until 5:15 p.m. At 4:30 p.m., radar indicated a severe thunderstorm located near South Bloomingville, moving northeast at 30 miles an hour. Storm hazards include winds to 60 miles an hour, quarter-size hail. Locations impacted include Hocking Hill State Park, Logan. In addition, South Bloomingville, Islesboro, Guidesonville, Lake Logan State Park, Enterprise, Rockbridge and Hideaway Hills are near the path of the severe thunderstorm. Seek shelter in a sturdy building. Stay away from windows and doors until the storm has passed. To report severe weather, go to our website at weather.gov/ILN and submit your report via social media when you can do so safely.